Come with me to see if my kids ate their lunch today or not. Sister came home asking for a snack right out the gate, so I have a feeling she's going through a major growth spurt. She's already grown 2 inches in 8 months. I wouldn't be surprised if she grows another inch before her birthday in December. Okay, back to it. Let's see what brother ate first. Pretty much everything except for that weird orange. He ate both of his sandwiches, all of his goldfish, almost all of his cashews, and of course both of his wafer cookies, which he got all of both of them because I didn't take a bite out of them. Lucky kid. In addition to wanting a snack, she was super excited to tell me that she got a 100 on her math assignment. Go, sister girl. Okay, well, I think we are going through a growth spurt. She ate everything, I guess. I don't think she dumped it all out because there's still crumbs in there from her wafer cookie. So if she had dumped it out, it all would have fallen out, I think. I think she actually ate all of it. This is kind of wild for us. This doesn't happen often. All right, well, that's all for today.
Okay, bye.